In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a content section to your GoDaddy website. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account and opening your website dashboard. Once you are inside your account, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to edit. After that, click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the GoDaddy Website Builder. When the editor opens, go to the page where you want to place the new content section. Scroll down until you reach the exact spot where you want the section to appear. As you move between existing sections, you will see the Add Section option. Click that button to continue. A panel will open with different types of sections you can add to your page. Look through the available categories and select Content. This will show you the content section layouts that are available in GoDaddy Website Builder. Choose the layout that best fits the kind of information you want to display. Once you find the one you want, click Add to insert it into the page. Now you can begin editing the section. Click on the heading field and type the title you want visitors to see. Then click into the body text area and enter your content. Keep your text clear and easy to read so it fits well within the design of the section. If the layout includes images, buttons, or other elements, you can customize those as well. Replace the default image with your own if needed. Update button text and links so they match the purpose of your page. If there are extra design elements in the selected layout, edit them so the section matches the rest of your website. Next, use the available layout and design settings to fine-tune the section. You can adjust the appearance so it fits your branding and the overall style of the page. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the title, text, images, and buttons all appear correctly and are arranged the way you want. Once you are satisfied with the content, click Preview to see how the new section will look on your live website. This gives you a chance to check the layout before publishing. If everything looks correct, return to the editor and click Publish to make the content section live for your visitors. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.